What is up, everybody? All right, cool. So today we're gonna be talking about cinematic footage, how to film a cinematic video with the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm gonna go over settings, what you need, accessory-wise, and why I use them. All right, cool. And then we'll hop into an edit so you can see what LUTs I use and my editing technique. So I'm gonna have my boy Robert, known as _DareM3 on Instagram. We're gonna be shooting his F80 M3 and see what's up. He should be right over there. All right, cool, so there he is. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into it now. I'm gonna show you my setup and what we gotta do. So we've got also now our Ulanzi suction cup. This is the 3.5 or 4 inch, I believe, pump action. And it has an articulating arm with a lock on it as well. Go ahead and put this bad boy right here. You want to make sure that the little red line is gone. So lock that up. This will give us a higher vantage point when shooting the car. All right, what you'll need to have is the Osmo Pocket 3 accessory mount. This is the battery one. Go ahead and just screw it on there with its 1/4 inch screw. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then we'll just slap on the Osmo Pocket. For an added security, just add this wrist strap onto this. Granted, I should be tying off the suction cup to the railing for an added security because yes, while I am just removing the risk of the clips failing, the suction cup can still fail as well. So let's get to it. We're gonna discuss the importance of an ND filter kit and why you would want this. I'm gonna go ahead now and pass it on to the Osmo Pocket 3. As you can see here, we are at 4K, 24 frames per second, and we're gonna be filming at 1/50 shutter speed. This will allow us to be at double the frame rate, giving us that smooth cinematic footage, natural motion blur, and things like that. Now, as you can see, the shot itself is extremely overexposed. We'll go ahead and fix that by applying an ND filter. So, this kit from BRDRC, ND4 to an ND64, and it does bring a CPL filter. I don't use that because it's small. And I don't have time to sit here and adjust as we move around from the sun. So, let's go ahead and put on an ND32, and we'll see what the difference is. All right, as you can see though, that is a little bit too dark, so let's go ahead and change that. We'll go ND8 and see where it gets us. All right, as you can see right now, we are at plus 0.3, 0.0, so we're pretty much correctly exposed. My colors might be a little off, but it is what it is. This is why you would want an ND filter, because if you don't have one, you'll have to bump up that shutter speed. And here, I'll show you what happens when you bump up shutter speed. Take this back off. You can see we're back to being overexposed. I'm gonna swipe this. I've got to stop recording to adjust it. I'm gonna go ahead and bump up my shutter speed to give me the correct exposure we had. So, here we are. Now we're at, 1/250. Reason being you don't want to shoot like this is because now you have no motion blur. You see that weird fuzzy looking? It looks like it's just tripping out. You want that filter on there to give you the correct exposure. On my camera currently, I am filming with an variable ND. They do make these for the Osmo Pocket 3, but it's a lot to mess with. Keep it simple. Get an ND filter set. I'm gonna go ahead and wear also a neck mount to give you a POV shot of how I'm filming and then how the footage looks as well. I'll put it down below here in the little corner. Got the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm gonna go ahead and use the extended handle just to give me a little extra grip. I have big, small hands, but here we go. So you can do it to it. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the neck mount from BRDRC. Is it BRDRC? It is BRDRC. All right, so to give you that POV shot, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the GoPro on here. It does bring a phone mount as well as a GoPro mount, which is pretty cool. This one has 2 buttons to unlock the camera and unlock up here. I think it's this side or this side. There you go. Put it on my fat ass head. That's boy recording me. What's up, Poppy? I wasn't recording you. All right, so let me see how this thing looks. Cool, so as far as lighting goes, I don't know how it's gonna be in this little corner, but we'll find out. Gonna head now and switch over to the Osmo Pocket footage and get this set up. So, get your nice little shot of the entire car. Now we're gonna go ahead and shoot some details. I'm gonna be selfish and shoot my little sticker. My guy has some dirty wheels, but here we go. You can tap that and it'll switch it to control the joystick. You double tap, it'll center the gimbal again. So you can get me out of the shot. What else can we get on this car? Car looks pretty rad here. Gonna go ahead and bring it down. We're just gonna orbit the car. Now, I don't ever use tracking stuff because it locks on weird, but let's go ahead and try to get this thing up here, the grills. Now let's do a panning shot. Make sure we have our gimbal on FPV mode. So we're gonna go ahead and come down. We'll shoot that one again. There's Robert, all cutie patootie. Yeah, you know, because he's also
doing behind the scenes.
Be in the video. So let me see angle wise. All right, that looks tough right there. So we're gonna go ahead and come up. Oof. All right, just because I like that a lot, I'm gonna film that as a portrait. That's a dope ass shot, bro. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just walk this, dude. I'm gonna film it horizontal because this looks tough. Yeah, bro. Oh, real, bro. Let me see. Yeah, bro. Oh, Brody. You're not ready for this one, my guy. I have another mount by BRDRC here, or Telesin. Communication. We've got a little cheap radios from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and link them below. Let's get to it. Come closer. All right, guys, so now we're gonna move the Osmo Pocket from there and attach it to the Craven speed mount that we have here. First things first, guys, I am not a guru at color grading or any of that. I will be 100% honest with you. I will probably just throw a LUT on there or go into the enhancer and edit the clips. As far as sound effects, I go through audio or through freesound.org is where I get most of my sound effects. I did place the mic inside of the engine bay of Robert's car, and I did do an internal recording. Now, I didn't get the sounds I wanted to. There was some distortion, not sure why, but we'll hop into it now and I'm going to show you how I edited this clip. Alright guys, so I've got my clips here separated. I'm not going to go crazy long just because I don't want this video to stretch out over, 15 minutes or so. I've got a little 30-second clip. I've got a song from audio. I'll link them below. And this is just it, basically. I've got these adjustment layers, but unfortunately, so here, since the lighting is different throughout, click the adjustment layer, open up here. And there. So, if you stuck around to the end of the video, guys, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe to see some more stuff. If you would like to purchase anything that I did mention in this video, whether it be the suction cup mounts, the tension arms from Telesin, or the neck strap from Flymile, I will be linking some Amazon links down below. I will be linking some affiliate links down below. What this means is that at no extra cost to you, I will get a commission from the merchant, and will help me grow, help me get new products that I can showcase to you guys and make video editing a lot easier. Again guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.